Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the color mode on the IbisPaint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas, and on the left side of the screen you can find the toolbar. You go to the last icon, the canvas, and here you can find the third option, the color mode. Click that and you can select the color, the grayscale or the black and white, and just select one, and if you don't, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.